kabla mtu hajakwambia ya kwamba you have not made it in this world, please say, if my children can listen to me, if I can call my children and they listen to me, if my children are not doing drugs, if my children are not doing alcohol, if my children are serving in church, if my children are doing well in school, if my children are okay, if my wife respects me, if we are working together as a family, I am a great man. Greatness is not about finances. Tumewekelea finances huko mbele, but let me tell you, people are sitting in financial mansions. They are sitting in big cars and they are crying in those places. Money is left by the father because all he did was look for money. He is left by the father. Lakini akikufa, watoto wanagawana, wanauza, wanamaliza. The greatest legacy you can ever leave on this earth, ile kitu itafanya uendelee hata wakati umekufa as a man, is the family you leave behind.